In this quick tutorial, we are going to show how to connect a LCD 16:2 display with ESP32. Here are the required components. ESP32 version 1 with inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. A 16:2 or 20:4 LCD module with I2C adapter connected, which has an inbuilt potentiometer to adjust contrast, and a jumper to turn on or off the backlight, and few connecting wires. So let's get started. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to CircuitSchools for interesting projects and tutorials. Now let's connect the wires to LCD module and ESP32. Here I2C adapter has 4 pins. 2 pins for 5 volts input and ground respectively, and other 2 pins for SDA and SCL. Here I am connecting the VCC pin of LCD to VIN pin of ESP32, and GND pin to GND pin of ESP32. Next, we need to connect SDA and SCL pins of I2C adapter to ESP32. But on ESP32, those pin values are not printed. So, let's have a look on ESP32 pinout diagram where SDA is on pin D21 and SCL is on D22. Now let's connect those pins to the D21 and D22. That's it for connection. Now, to upload the sample code to display simple text, we need to connect the ESP32 with micro USB cable to your PC where Arduino IDE is installed. Now let's have a look into the PC where we compile and execute the code. First, let's find the I2C address of the I2C adapter. Generally it is hexadecimal 27. But in some cases, it's different. You can find the link for the code in the description. Before uploading, select the board as ESP32 rover module. And select the COM port of the device. You can get that from the device manager ports. Now press the upload button. Now the code compiles and check for errors. After uploading, open serial monitor for the I2C address. Here in my case, it is shown as OX27. Now copy the sample code from our website and paste on Arduino IDE. Before uploading, you need to install Liquid Crystal I2C library. You can find the link for that in the description. Change the address of I2C here. And also change the display size if you are using 20:4 LCD display. And here is the code to print the text and timer in seconds. Now click on upload. After uploading, have a look at the LCD display. It will show the text, CircuitSchools, and the seconds timer below that. You can click the reset button on the ESP32 to restart the program and to restart the timer. In the same way, you can create scrolling text and add new custom characters to display. You can find the details in our website, circuitschools.com. Now here, you can turn the display on or off using the jumper on I2C adapter. This display consumes 20 to 30 milliamps without backlight and consumes nearly 130 milliamps with backlight. You can adjust the contrast of the display by rotating the potentiometer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to CircuitSchools.